Hello guys, ciao! Let's make another bedside table for my client. So basically I had to cut the desired shapes that I needed for this project at a local workshop where my friend works. This is because I don't have the machines and they're quite expensive, so I had to do that. And over there I'm not supposed to record, so I had to just do it without recording. So I did it and painted it white because white I needed to paint black afterwards, and after painting white it's easy for the black color to dry quickly. In my first bedside table I didn't paint the white color before applying the black color. Oh my god, let me not tell you this, it took a week. It took a week to dry, and by then hiyo weather ilikuwa mbaya. It was raining, mara kunanyesha, mara kumekauka, kunanyesha, as in weather Mombasa is so confusing. So nikaambiwa ujanja ni hii, I had to apply this. Yay! So when I was done painting, I took the top and the base and nikachukua nyundo and msumari nikazigongelea just like that. As you can see, as simple as that. Guys, this thing is not that hard. Creativity to for now, you can make something look just good and awesome, just like as this look. So now we're going to put the laces. As you can see, hizo zenye naeka hapo. I also bought the laces from a local hardware shop at an affordable price. And I'm going to use my hot glue gun to stick them around the iso circular shapes. I didn't use the ile glue, ile inaitwa nini? Inaitwanga aje by the way? He. Ai, mbona ikuje ile yenye wale street children used to inawapatia steam. Okay, your glue. I didn't use that because iko take time kukauka, na me I'm so impatient, like so impatient, so I had to use this. By the way, please don't forget to follow me and tell me what you think about this. If you have any DIY decor, any home decor, any decor that you have in mind, or you've seen somewhere, you can simply send me a DM of the picture and I can make you exactly as it is. before mniulize ni glitter gani nimetumia kwa hii bottle, let me be honest guys, that's not glitter. Imagine that spray paint. I used to spray paint gold and black and it turned out like that. Inakani kama ni shimmering glitter. I know. Anyway, that was it guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you may get recent videos that I'll be uploading. Anyway, that's it. Bye.